Hey there, have you ever encountered the problem of having a slow computer startup? It can be quite frustrating, especially when you're in a hurry to get things done. The slow startup problem can stem from various issues, such as too many startup programs running in the background or a cluttered hard drive. But fret not, as today we're going to explore a solution to this pesky problem. Let's dive into the solution. One effective way to address the slow startup issue is by managing your startup programs. By reducing the number of programs that launch automatically when you turn on your computer, you can significantly speed up the startup process. You can access your startup programs through the Task Manager on Windows or the System Preferences on macOS. Simply disable or remove unnecessary programs from the startup list, and you'll notice a difference in startup speed. Another solution to the slow computer startup problem is to declutter your hard drive. A full or fragmented hard drive can slow down the startup process as the system struggles to locate and load necessary files. By regularly cleaning up your hard drive, deleting unwanted files, and defragmenting it, you can improve the overall performance of your computer and reduce startup time. Remember, a tidy hard drive is a happy hard drive. In summary, if you're facing the frustration of a slow computer startup, managing your startup programs and decluttering your hard drive are key solutions to consider. By taking these simple steps, you can optimize your computer's performance and enjoy a faster startup time. I hope you found these tips helpful. Don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and leave a comment with your favorite tech joke. Thanks for watching.